Hey, what's going on, guys? So today after work, I immediately went and picked up a new handgun. And today what we got here is an unboxing video of the Taurus Tx22. So here we are. Man. Alright. First off, first impressions is it feels really good. I really dig this this grip here. It really fills up my hand pretty nicely. That there's a little blood blister I got. But yeah, no, so this it really fills up my hand pretty nicely. I can get to the magazine release real easily. I can actuate the safety real easily. This is an ambidextrous safety. We got, again, ambidextrous, so we got both sides, but I don't think it's in the way at all. You know, so you're coming out of the holster, if you leave it, if you have it on, right? Really easy to brush it off. Really easy to put it back on. There's your slide release, obviously. Beautiful. Very nice trigger well here. You got a good area, like a lot of room. Actually, let's see. Here's a G43, and now the trigger well is pretty comparable. All right. So let's get back to features. Oh yeah, the texture on this guy isn't really aggressive. It's pretty mild, but it feels good enough to me, honestly. You know, the texture on this guy here. But again, I really like the size of this. That right here, that really fills up my palm real well. Oh yeah, this again, coming back to the grip. It's got a nice little area right here where you can strip the magazine out. There's a little indentation here on both sides, right? That little, see the little triangle right there. So let's say if you had a magazine get stuck or hung up, you can really easily use that area to grab that and strip it out if need be. Yeah, what else? We got a rail for your lights and lasers. That's nice. It's got, oh yeah, front and rear slide serrations, so that's good. You can really get to that really easy. Let's see the sights. Okay, 3-dot white. Your front sight posts and your notch rear with the 2 dots, and looks to me like it's adjustable. I'm seeing some flathead screws here, so I'm guessing you'll be able to drift it for your windage. Oh yeah, also again, it's obviously a striker fired, excuse me, a striker fired pistol, obviously, because it's got that internal hammer. What else? One thing that I noticed right off the rip is that this thing doesn't have like a traditional ejection port area, I guess. Like, see, as you can see, this is the ejection port right here, and for my Glocks, they've got that ejection port. Like, you can really, you know what I mean? So that ejection port's a little small, but that's probably gonna be fine. I guess we'll find out. Yeah. Let's talk about this great selling point on this thing. This thing is it comes suppressor ready as soon as you buy it. As soon as you buy it stock, it's ready to be suppressed. As you see here on the barrel, it's got this little cap on here that's got wrench flats, or it's got flats on it, so you can unscrew it, right? And you unscrew this guy right here, and there's threads under there, obviously. And then it comes with, which is really great, it comes with this thread adapter right here, which is 1/2 by 28. So this bigger piece right there is 1/2 by 28. So that's like your AR-15. That's your standard AR-15 thread pitch for your flash hiders, muzzle brakes, suppressors, so on and so forth. So you take off this guy right here, screw that on right there, and you got a freaking threaded barrel right there. You got a Tx22 that's ready to be suppressed. Oh yeah. It comes with two 16-round magazines. That's good. That's great. These magazines are plastic, but they feel high quality enough, and I'm sure they're probably cheap enough that you'd be able to get yourself plenty of extras and spares. But again, they're plastic, but they seem to feel plenty high quality. They've got these little cutouts right here on the sides of the magazine to help aid in loading of the 22 long rifle rounds into the magazine. So you know, you pull that down and start dropping your rounds into there to get it all loaded up. So that's good. Two of those guys. Again, the thread adapter. This is probably a loader, which I won't ever use. That's cool. It's got some. Oh yeah, okay. It's got a limited lifetime warranty, whatever the hell that means. Your instruction manual, cool. What else? Okay, comes with a little cable lock. Cool. Most handguns come with a cable lock. Man, but again, I tell you, so far, I'm really digging this little guy here. Because here we'll do a size comparison on this guy. I'm gonna take this off. I'm taking that off. I'm gonna do a size comparison of the Tx22 to the Glock 43. Okay. Yep. Bit bigger. Shoot, looks good to me. Here's a G45, which is a full-size frame and a 19 slide. So you know it's a full size. You're like your 17 frame, but it's got your short slide. And that's very comparable. Those two are very comparable in size. But actually, yeah, we'll go over this trigger right here real quick. The trigger, let's see here. Again, we already cleared the weapon, so I'm just going to point in this direction with a safe direction, right? So you can kind of see it already. Let's pull this trigger. All right, I think I'm at the wall now. Yep. And a break. Check the reset. Oh, that's pretty clean, pretty quick too as well. Break. We'll do that again. Okay, reset. Boop, there it is. Let's let it off and let's do it. Let's do the whole thing over again. All right. So we do have a good bit of travel. I noticed. From till you get to that wall, it is a good bit of travel. So here we go. Oh, yep. Oh, we're at the wall. Break. Clean break. Really clean break. And reset. One more time. See, a good bit of travel there. That's a good bit, I think, but, you know, not a big deal, I don't think. So here we go. Okay. Wall. Break. Overall, first impressions of this guy are, I'm really happy with it. I cannot wait to get out to the range and shoot this guy. I cannot wait to throw a suppressor on this guy. Alright, I've taken enough time up. I'm going to end the video there.